What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use palm gesture to take a selfie photo or video in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open camera app. Now in the camera app, go to the settings of camera by tapping on this settings icon on the top left corner. And here scroll down and click on shooting methods. Now in shooting methods, here you will see a show palm button. So if this button is disabled, then enable this button, and after turning on this button you can open the selfie camera, and after opening the selfie camera you can show the palm to take a selfie. Or you can open the video mode and you can start. So that's how you can take a picture or record a video with palm in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.